Well, I wanted to give you guys an update on the pool after the red algae incident. So it's been 10 days since I started the treatment for the red algae, and it is pretty much completely gone. We're gonna test the levels here real quick. I have scrubbed a total of about a dozen times. We're gonna scrub one more time this morning. Also going to add some pH balancer and put my chlorinator back in the pool for the first time since I started treating this algae, or bacteria rather. So let's go ahead and check the levels first. So it looks like our chlorine is still on the high side, but looks like low enough that we could probably start swimming, especially after I use the balancer. All the other levels seem to be decent. Not super high, not super low. So I think we're pretty good in terms of balance. Like I said, I will put the chlorinator in and the balancer after we scrub the pool. So let's go ahead and get to scrubbing. Oh, also real quick, before we scrub, I have been running the vacuum pretty much 24/7 since I found out about the red algae. And I'm gonna probably keep it running through the rest of the summer just to keep the bottom as clean as possible. It still gets a little dirty, as you can see. So let's go ahead and get the scrubbing. All right, let's go ahead and backwash and then get those chemicals in to get it balanced. She is looking really, really good. Probably the best it's looked since it was new. That's what scrubbing once a day, keeping the chlorine levels high, backwashing twice a day will do. All right, so let's go ahead and get that pH balancer in and the chlorine tablets, and then check the levels one more time. And then hopefully my kids can swim in it this evening. Okay, since all of the levels are pretty much where we wanted them, we're going to use this balancer to kind of lock them in place, keep the chlorine in there, and then we're pretty much done for today. All right, I'm going to let everything run through the system, get mixed into the pool. Here in about an hour, we will check the levels and then decide if we can swim tonight. All right, so it's been an hour, so let's go ahead and test again, see what our levels are at. Chlorines are still a tad high, but they're within the range I would consider safe to swim. Whoa. pH, little on the high side. Alkalinity seems to be right smack dab where it should be. Stabilizer, right about where it should be. I'd say we're good to go for the kids to go swimming tonight. So the pool looks great, test out great. Looks like the kids are going to be able to swim tonight. I am going to be shooting another video, tomorrow's video, about a product review that involves swimming in the nighttime, and it's not glow sticks. So comment below if you know what I'm talking about. Don't forget to comment, share, like, all that good stuff. Pool's looking great, so I think we're gonna go ahead and get on out of here. Seems like 10 days seems to be a good time frame. After originally starting this, seems like the red algae's all gone. Like I said, I'm gonna continue to really keep this maintained for the rest of the summer so we don't see it coming back. So we'll go ahead and get the kids in tonight. Don't forget to subscribe so you see that video tomorrow morning. Billy D, pulling on out of here. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.